So we are here in car wash and we're cleaning MJ's car. $8, very satisfying. So yan. So here is the car wash, guys. We're using this to clean inside the car. And there's a lot of car here. I'm just taking a video, filming them. So the car is already looking glass. Glassy. So ayan si Shane. There's my husband, Shane. They are busy.